Hello students, welcome back. Once again, this is your English teacher Himanshi ma'am and we are doing notice writing. That's right. With my class 8 student, I am currently discussing topic number 2 in writing section, which is notice writing. Earlier we have finished email writing and I hope you all have completed the written work related to email writing. Students, I hope in both email writing and notice writing you are writing in your fair registers the definition, the format and at least 2 to 3 examples. Okay students, now coming back to our discussion, we have in previous video discussed the definition of notice, what is the purpose of writing notice and what is the format of writing notice. And yesterday in the video I also discussed one sample exercise with all of you, which was regarding an event. If you remember in yesterday's video lesson we were discussing there are various kinds of reasons why a notice is put and why it is put for public only. So students, first of all we have done the question of event. When there is an event in the school and we are writing a notice to be displayed on the notice board. Today the sample number 2 which we will do, it will be related to a competition. That means there is going to be a competition, there is any kind of competition can happen in the school and you have to put up a notice for the display board so that everyone gets the information of the competition. But before we do any of that, what are the 3 things that you all have to do like always? I mean like always. You have to click on the like button. You will like this video. Then you will share this video with all your friends and you have to make sure you all are my subscribers. And students, you know what? I got to know that you are going to have a maths quiz. That's right. Isn't that interesting? Although we are talking about competition in today's video, I mean it is a coincidence that we are having in fact a real quiz in our own school. So please go and check out the JMPS school website and you will find out that you are going to have a maths quiz. Coming back to English. Notice writing sample number 2 regarding competition. Please pay attention on your screens. I am going to discuss it with all of you. Please pay attention to the next slide that bears a sample of a notice with all necessary instructions indicated with the help of an arrow. Note down the same in your notebook. Today's question is, you are the cultural committee secretary of your school. Your school is organizing an inter-house English debate competition. Write a notice to be put on school's notice board inviting the name of participants for the same. Let us look at the answer. So students, here as you all can see on your screen, we are going to revise the format of notice writing as discussed in the previous video while writing the answer for today's question. So first of all, let us please once again pay attention on the big box that is made for notice writing. As I have been telling you again and again, without the box, your notice is always incomplete. So coming to the first entry, issuing authority or name of school in the center, that is first and written in capital letters. After leaving one line, you write notice again in capital letters. Then on the left margin, you will put the date. Then again coming in the center, you will give a heading. And obviously this question will belong to the heading Inter-House English Debate Competition. Then next, again coming to the left margin by leaving a line, content of the notice. All the students and house coordinators are hereby informed that our school is organizing an inter-house English debate competition for class 9 to 12 on April 28. So students, here as you can see the date is given and the classes is given. That means only necessary information is provided while writing the content to keep it short and precise. All the house captains and coordinators are requested to finalize 2 students from their respective houses and submit their names to the cultural committee latest by 21st. Again, only limited information. If you see in the last it is written, for further details contact the undersigned. As always you know, undersigned is the person who is writing the notice and in the answer you will be the undersigned. So again coming to the left side of the margin, you have signature, you have full name and designation. So this is students how you will follow the format while writing your notice always with a box. Now students, please once again pay attention on your screen. After you have followed the format thoroughly and completed writing all the details, this is how your answer will look like. So again when you will do today's homework question, make sure your answer at the last looks like this with proper heading, proper format. Hope you have understood notice writing. Now it is time for an assignment. Today's assignment is You are the in charge of your school's photography club. In not more than 50 words, write a notice to be put up on your school notice board requesting for the best photographs for the upcoming school magazine. So students, today we have done sample number 2 for notice writing, which is for a competition. Similar to that, homework you all shall do. So students, this was your sample number 2 for the topic notice writing. Again, we have discussed a question, we have discussed all the content points related to the format, and then we have written an answer. And similar to that, I have given you only one question once again for your own doing. So I hope you all will maintain your fair registers properly and you will do both email writing and notice writing questions yourself on your own properly. And if you have any problem or if there is anything that you want to share with me, what are you going to do? You are going to write it in the comment box with your name, class and section. That's it for today, students. Don't forget to check out the JMPS school website and participate in the maths quiz. Until then, I will see you all. Take care. Bye-bye.